You don't need perfect grammar to speak English well, you need the right method. And in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through a powerful technique that unlocks your speaking confidence. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me, repeat after me, and train your brain to think and speak in English naturally. This isn't just practice, this is how real fluency is built. You're not just learning today, you're transforming. Let's speak English together. And welcome back to Learn English Bold. I'm Max, and I'm really glad you're here. In today's episode, we're doing something simple but powerful. You're going to learn how to talk about your day clearly, confidently, and naturally in full sentences, just like real conversations. But we're not rushing. I'll speak slowly. I'll use simple, real English. You'll have time to repeat after me, shadow my voice, and build your confidence step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your morning, use natural phrases native speakers use every day, practice shadowing and build your pronunciation muscles, and feel more confident when speaking English out loud. Let's begin this journey together. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you know what time you wake up? Do you know what you eat for breakfast? You don't need a textbook, you just need your voice. When you speak about your daily life, you're using English that's already inside you. You stop translating. You start thinking in English. You speak with real situations. You use words with real meaning. You build a skill that sticks naturally. This isn't just study, this is language in action. This is how fluent speakers train. And now, it's your turn. I'll guide you through real-life examples, starting with your morning routine. You'll repeat after me. You'll shadow my sentences. You'll feel the words, not just understand them. This is not about perfection. It's about progress. Before we begin, here are a few tips to get the most from this lesson. 1. Listen to me first. 2. Repeat after me and try to match my voice and rhythm. 3. Pause the video if you need more time. 4. Speak out loud, not just in your head. And 5. Relax your body and speak like you're talking to a friend. This is not a test, this is training. So enjoy the process. Let's begin with the morning. I'll say each sentence and you'll repeat after me, clearly, slowly, with confidence. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30. Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms and legs. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms and legs. Then I sit up slowly and get out of bed. Then I sit up slowly and get out of bed. Great job so far. You're not just listening, you're speaking. Let's keep going. I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I brush slowly and carefully for 2 minutes. I brush slowly and carefully for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with cold water. Then I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel fresh and awake. It helps me feel fresh and awake. Sometimes I take a quick shower if I feel sleepy. Sometimes I take a quick shower if I feel sleepy. When I shower, I like to play soft music or English podcasts. When I shower, I like to play soft music or English podcasts. After my shower, I dry off and put on my clothes. After my shower, I dry off and put on my clothes. I try to wear something clean and comfortable. I try to wear something clean and comfortable. If I have a meeting or class, I wear something more formal. If I have a meeting or class, I wear something more formal. You're doing amazing. Let's move to breakfast. Next, I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. Next, I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. I usually eat something simple, like toast, eggs, and fruit. I usually eat something simple, like toast, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I have cereal with milk and a banana. Sometimes I have cereal with milk and a banana. If I have more time, I make oatmeal or an omelet. If I have more time, I make oatmeal or an omelet. I like to eat slowly and enjoy my food. I like to eat slowly and enjoy my food. I drink coffee most mornings. I drink coffee most mornings. Sometimes I drink green tea because it feels light and fresh. Sometimes I drink green tea because it feels light and fresh. While eating, I sometimes watch a video or check the news. While eating, I sometimes watch a video or check the news. Other days, I just sit quietly and listen to the birds. Other days, I just sit quietly and listen to the birds. Before I leave, I check my phone and pack my bag. Before I leave, I check my phone and pack my bag. Then I put on my shoes and step outside. Then I put on my shoes and step outside. You just spoke a full morning routine in English. You're not just studying. You're becoming a fluent English speaker. Now, I'll tell you a short story. My full morning routine. Listen first. Then pause and shadow each sentence. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7. Sometimes I wake up earlier if I have a lot to do. I lie in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I stretch my arms, yawn a little, and slowly get up. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up. If I feel sleepy, I take a warm shower. I often listen to soft music while I shower. After the shower, I put on clean clothes and check my hair. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat toast with jam and drink coffee. Sometimes I eat a boiled egg too. While I eat, I sit by the window and look outside. Sometimes I hear birds and enjoy the quiet moment. Before I leave the house, I check my phone and pack my bag. That's it, a full real morning in English, and you just practiced it. Now let's train your confidence. Repeat these sentences after me, with emotion, clarity, and belief. I am learning English with confidence. I am learning English with confidence. Say it again, but believe it this time. I am learning English with confidence. Every day, I speak better and better. Every day, I speak better and better. I can speak English clearly, slowly, and naturally. I can speak English clearly, slowly, and naturally. Excellent. Stand up, say it loud, and let your body feel it. This builds muscle memory and fluency. Now, before we move on, let me tell you why this works. When you speak out loud, your brain activates memory, sound, rhythm, and emotion. This is called active recall, and it's how children learn to speak. You're not just hearing words, you're training your brain to speak automatically. That's powerful. Let's practice together. What's your name? My name is Max. Where are you from? I'm from UK. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. You're not just repeating, you're communicating. Now pause this video. Walk around your room. Repeat everything you've learned out loud. Train your mouth. Train your brain. Then come back. I'll wait. Welcome back. That's what champions do. They practice when no one's watching. Every morning, speak your routine out loud. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, a full story next week. That's how you grow. You are bold. You are building something real. You are not just learning English, you are becoming unstoppable. This is Max from Learn English Bold. Thank you for speaking with me. I'll see you soon in the afternoon routine video. And until then, repeat this one last time. I am not just learning English. Thanks for watching and speaking with me. You're not just learning English. You're becoming bold, confident,